So today, we will show you how to eat balut. See, it's an egg, and inside got a baby dog. You see? And this video, by the way, hello to Kauhanen. He always like to my videos, and he always watch my videos, and he always comment. So this is for you. I show you how to eat balut. And I think you know what is balut. So balut inside a duck, right? Baby, a baby little duck. And now, we're going to open the balut. So you take a look here. Okay. So wait. See. So this is the egg. So we're going to look here, and you see what's inside. Inside got a little baby dog. You see, and inside got soup. Then you can eat the soup like that. So nice. You want some? No. See the baby. See my niece. By the way, this is Otto and this is Yan Yan. They are my nephew and my niece. So you see inside got the yellow egg, and you see, yeah, like that. It looks like this. And so I'm gonna focus the camera, so you will see what's inside this mystery egg. So this is a mystery egg. Oh my gosh! And the soup. Wait. Nice. So this is the yellow of the egg. Then, but it's so yummy. Okay, look. You want some? Look at me. Yes, yeah, you like it. And then, wait, oh my goodness, it still got soup, but I need to. So delicious. And now, this is the final moment. Oh my gosh, the bird is so little. It's really a baby. Oh my gosh, you can see what's inside. You can see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it's a dog. You see the dog, the baby dog, but you gonna eat this like that. And yellow like that. This one is very hard. And we're back. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.